Dogs don't see the world the way we do. They smell it. A dog's nose is their most powerful tool, and their sense of smell is estimated to be about 40 times more powerful than a human's. Dogs' noses contain more than 300 million olfactory receptors, compared to only 5 million in humans. Not only that, but a part of a dog's brain dedicated to processing scents is 40 times larger than that of a human. Dogs use their sense of smell to track down old artifacts, detect diseases like cancer, detect emotions like sadness and fear, and even predict epileptic seizures in some patients. When a dog sniffs, it separates the air into two paths, one for breathing and the other for chemical analysis of odors. This exceptional ability makes dogs superhuman in the field of detection and tracking. In the world of dogs, scent tells it all. Who was here? When? What did they do? It's a story told with noses, not eyes.